online identity is more important than ever in today's digital landscape. With cyber threats on the rise, protecting your personal information is critical to maintaining your privacy and security. Here are some practical and effective strategies to safeguard your online presence. Time it takes a hacker to brute force your password. 1. Use strong, unique passwords. Create complex, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or names. A combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters is ideal. To simplify password management, consider using a reliable password manager, which securely stores and organizes your credentials. 2. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. Two-factor authentication provides an additional layer of protection for your accounts. Along with your password, it requires a second verification step, such as a code sent to your mobile device or email. Enabling 2FA significantly reduces the likelihood of unauthorized access, even if your password is compromised. 3. Keep your software and devices updated. Outdated software can leave your devices vulnerable to cyber attacks. Regularly update your operating system, applications, and antivirus programs to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. Enable automatic updates whenever possible for added convenience. 4. Use a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN protects your online activity by encrypting your internet connection and hiding your IP address. This is especially useful when using public Wi-Fi networks, where your data is more susceptible to interception. Choose a trusted VPN provider to secure your online traffic and enhance privacy. 5. Be cautious with personal information. Think twice before sharing sensitive information online. Avoid entering personal details on websites without the HTTPS protocol in the URL, as it ensures a secure connection. Similarly, be wary of unsolicited emails requesting personal or financial information, as they could be phishing attempts. 6. Monitor your accounts regularly. Stay vigilant by regularly reviewing your financial accounts and credit reports for unusual activity. Set up alerts to notify you of suspicious transactions or login attempts. Early detection of unauthorized activity can help prevent further damage. 7. Educate yourself about cybersecurity. Awareness is one of the most effective tools for protecting yourself online. Stay informed about current cybersecurity threats, such as phishing scams, ransomware, and data breaches. Familiarize yourself with best practices, like recognizing warning signs of suspicious activity and responding to potential threats appropriately. 8. Be mindful of social media sharing. Limit the amount of personal information you share on social media platforms. Adjust your privacy settings to control who can view your content, and avoid posting sensitive details like your address, phone number, or travel plans. Cybercriminals often use publicly available information to target victims. 9. Back up your data. Regularly backing up your important files ensures that you won't lose critical information in the event of a cyber attack, system failure, or accidental deletion. Use secure cloud storage or an external hard drive, and ensure your backups are encrypted for added security. 10. Use secure browsing practices. When browsing the internet, avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading unverified attachments. Use a trusted browser with built-in security features, and enable ad blockers to reduce exposure to malicious ads and trackers. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your online security and protect your personal information from cyber threats. Taking proactive steps today can save you from potential risks in the future. Stay informed, stay secure, and take control of your digital identity.